Protein is such an important nutrient. This is the stuff that comes in eggs, cheese, meat, all of the dairy. Look, here's what I've been doing with my eggs. Been buying them on a commercial basis. There's 180 eggs in this little bad boy, and you just open it up and you've got trays and trays of eggs there. And to me, I'm a real fan of eggs. They're a pretty cheap nutrient. You know, these ones, once you work them all out, if you've got 180 there, they're going for about 50 cents each. I don't think you can eat too many eggs in a day. They're going to fill you up. Each egg's got 6 grams of protein, and that'll get you towards the 100 or so available grams that you need in a day. You can have them for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's just a fabulous, nutrient-dense little thing of food. And remember, there's everything you need to make a whole animal in here, a whole brand new living chicken under other circumstances than the farm ones here, but that's a great nutrient. Also get asked about this sort of stuff. Is this okay? Protein powder, because it clearly wasn't recently alive, doesn't fit my human interference factor. If you're pretty active, if you're going to the gym, you want some extra protein, this is a good source. Get it in there, make your own smoothie, chuck a couple of grams of that, cups of protein in, and you're the way for the day. So I don't think we should need to limit the amount we're eating so much as improve the quality of it. Was it recently alive? And are you getting enough protein? And if not, get some more. Get some eggs, get some meat, get some protein powder. That's what fills you up. That's what stops you feeling hungry, and you're away from there.